Welcome back to Rise Up in the Age of AI. In this section, we'll explore how to identify new career opportunities in a rapidly changing job market. Let's start with the first video, Introduction to the Changing Nature of Work. The world of work is changing faster than ever before, thanks to advances in technology, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence and automation. In this video, we'll explore how these changes are impacting the job market and what they mean for you and your career. So, which industries are being disrupted the most? Well, pretty much all of them. From manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and finance, AI and automation are transforming the way we work and live. For instance, autonomous vehicles are set to revolutionize the transportation industry, while virtual assistants are already changing the way we interact with computers. Adapting to change is crucial in this fast-paced world. As AI and automation continue to reshape the job market, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies to remain competitive and relevant. To sum up, in this video we've explored how technology is changing the nature of work, the impact of AI and automation on the job market, and examples of industries that are being disrupted. Remember, to succeed in the age of AI, you need to be adaptable and open to new possibilities. In the next video, we'll look at how to identify emerging industries and job roles.